Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Wish you all a very happy new year and hope that 2021 would be a great year for you all. 2020 was completely a very different year. It's really historic. COVID-19 has actually changed most of our lives. Many did really bad during this period. Some lost their lives, some lost their near and dear ones. Overall, it was, I think, a very bad year for most of us. Let's hope that 2021 would really change and we would be able to recover from all the trouble, all the losses that we made during this 2020. Let's talk about 2020, and I want to share my experiences, my thoughts on 2020. For me, overall, it was like a big change in my life. I was a person who used to travel every 15 days. I used to be in an airport, and I was like sort of a very busy person traveling here and there. I never had time for many things in my life. What I could do during this lockdown or during this last 9 months, March 8th was my last international trip when I came back from Maldives. Then after that, I did not go to any airports. I had got sufficient time to do some online courses, to learn new skills, to improve my skills, to work more on my videos. Though I could not travel for making travel videos, but I really utilized this time to improve my skills, understand more things, read more books, watch some Netflix series and Amazon series, some movies which were long pending. Above all, for me, it was very important that I could really focus on my health, really focus on eating good, really focus on doing some cooking, making some healthy dishes, sharing those dishes in my Fighting Diabetes channel, and even working out very regularly, going for walks. Working from home had that advantage, like we really don't need to move out or travel to office or travel for a meeting. That time was really utilized well for me. But again, now things have to get back to normal. Vaccines have come out, things are going to change. I think in next couple of months we would be getting back to normal, but many things have changed, many things have like gone forever. There are so many businesses, there are so many restaurants which we have heard that they have like closed forever. Some businesses cannot come back for many reasons. So we hope that 2021 would be a much better year or a great year for most of us to compensate or to come out of all the losses or all the things which we couldn't do during 2020. So what are your plans for 2021? See, definitely you should have some plans. It's not really something that it would 100% happen. Planning is important so that you can start doing something and you end up doing something different. But definitely you need to have some plans. For me, I feel that 2021 would be like I would start traveling, going to my workplace. I work in Maldives, so I need to go to Maldives. That would be my first international trip, which I'm planning this month. Then the second thing would be like, I have realized that, see, you can travel to places near to your home or the place where you live. I am getting my new Thar, so 2021 would be a year which I feel that I'll be traveling a lot inside India or places near where I am living. I love road trips, and road trips would be really something what I am looking forward to do. Other than that, as I told you, I am a nature lover and I want to do something which is like interacting with the nature. So I would disclose those things when things are like working or like almost done, because the things are now still under planning, so it takes some more time, so I will disclose that later. Hope things go good. I would love to hear from you guys the plans for 2021. Hope everything goes well in 2021 and we all move forward. So that's all for now. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Bye for now. Take care.